Sometimes all you need is a day away from the usual routine. No packed itinerary, no places to check off a list. Just a beautiful monsoon day, a few people from work, and drive towards Pavna. And as the city slowly disappeared behind us, the journey itself started feeling like part of the getaway. Pavna feels different during the monsoon. The hills turn green, clouds hang low over the landscape, and almost every road seems to lead towards another beautiful view. The lake may not have its own postcard blue color at this time of a year, but somehow I think this version has a character of its own. Places make for beautiful pictures, but it's usually the people you're with who turn those places into memories. And once the drone was back on the ground, the day became less about capturing the landscape and more about simply enjoying it. Monsoon has a way of changing places like this. Waterfalls appear almost overnight, everything turns impossibly green, and every now and then you meet one of the locals. And then, just like that, it was time to head back.